It's April 8th, so 7 more days to lockdown. Hey guys, this is Prateek here watching Prehistoric Polymath. So without any further ado, let's see how we can change backgrounds of any photos. Okay, so we have the layer over here, and then first thing we are going to be doing is to create a background color that is white. So we are gonna convert the background to first white, and then we are gonna change the background. Alright, let's delete this layer mask, and then let's bring it down, and let's copy this layer by Command J. And let's bring that layer down and let's hide it. Alright, now I like to name my layers, and I'm gonna name this background and this one as original copy and the layer 0 as original. Then we'll use our very old quick selection tool, and then in Adobe CC 2020 and all CC versions you have an option called select subject. If you click that, it's gonna select the subject from the background, and it's very easy. You don't need to do a lot of stuff. And I guess there's a lot of extra selections over here. We're just gonna remove that. We're just gonna take the just like that, and then we have to hit the select and mask option. After we hit the select and mask option, we have to increase the smoothness just to make the selection a bit smoother, and we'll increase the feather a little bit, I would say 1 pixels, and I'll increase the contrast of the smoothness and the feather. Now if you see, I don't want to work with the hair over here. It's because if I start working with the hair with the refined tool, then all the global refinements will be applied to the hair. So what that will make is it'll be a disaster. So we don't want to do that, and we'll hit OK right now. Okay, so we have the selection over here, and then you might ask why it did not create a layer mask. It's because the selection the output was to selection, not to a layer mask. Now we'll select layer mask and we'll work on the hairs. We're gonna use our refine brush tool, and then we're gonna keep the view mode on white, just like to keep it on white. And then we're gonna go near the hairs, and then we're gonna slowly select the each strand of hair we want. Let me little bit fast forward that for you. Now we're going to take that and we're going to put it on our background. The size of this background is 1080p into 1350. It's a basic standard portrait Instagram size. So we're going to resize this to our background, just like that. A little bit down. Yes, little bit up. Okay. Yes, that looks good. Yes, so here you have it. Under 4 minutes, change background of any photos just like this. Now there is a little bit of adjustments, curves and levels and saturation and hue adjustments we have to do to this, but every photo is different and I'm not gonna walk you through all that. That's all for this video, guys. You're watching Prehistoric Polymath. I'm Prateek. If you do like this video, hit that like button down below, and don't forget to press that subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so whenever we post a new video, you will be notified first. And don't forget to share this video and leave a comment down below. With that said, stay tuned and stay hungry. Well, in terms of knowledge.